If you want to see your Calendly calendar quickly and manage your availability the right way, this video will walk you through it step by step. I'll show you exactly where to log in, where to find the calendar section, and how to check which dates are open or unavailable. This is a simple tutorial, but it can save you a lot of time if you're trying to keep your scheduling organized. And if this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. First, open your browser and go to the Calendly login page. You can sign in using the account that you use for scheduling. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Calendly dashboard. If this is your first time using it, take a second to get familiar with the layout, because the settings you need are easy to miss if you go too fast. Now look for the availability option in the left-hand menu. Click on availability to open your scheduling settings. This is the section where Calendly lets you manage when people can book time with you. If your goal is to view your calendar and understand when you are free, this is the first place you want to go. After that, look at the top right section of the page and click Calendar. This is the part that helps you view your connected calendar and see how your availability is being applied. Depending on how your account is set up, you may see scheduled events, open times, or blocks that show you when you are unavailable. Take a moment to review the dates and time slots shown on the screen. Check which days are available and which ones are marked unavailable. If you need to manage them, you can use this view to understand what's already booked and what time is still open for new meetings. That makes it much easier to avoid double booking and stay in control of your schedule. If something doesn't look right, double check your connected calendar settings and your availability rules. Sometimes the issue is as simple as the wrong calendar being connected or a time block being set in a way you didn't expect. Once you understand this view, it becomes much easier to manage your bookings and keep everything accurate. So that's how to view your Calendly calendar and check your available or unavailable dates. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.